General instructions for preparation of balance sheet, part 10, point number P of note number 6, trade receivables. Point number P, the heading is trade receivables. Number 1, aggregate amount of trade receivables outstanding for a period exceeding 6 months from the date they are due for payment should be separately stated. Number 2, trade receivables shall be subclassified as A. Secured considered good, B. Unsecured considered good, C. Doubtful. Point number 3, allowance for bad and doubtful debts shall be disclosed under the relevant heads separately. Point 4, debts due by directors or other officers of the company or any of them, either severally or jointly with any other person, or debts due by firms or private companies respectively, in which any director is a partner or a director or a member, should be separately stated. Now point number Q of note number 6, cash and cash equivalents. Point number Q, the heading is cash and cash equivalents. Number 1, cash and cash equivalents shall be classified as A. balance with banks, B. checks draft on hand, C. cash on hand, D. others specify nature. Point number 2, earmarked balances with banks, for example for unpaid dividend, shall be separately stated. Point 3, balances with banks to the extent held as margin money or security against the borrowings, guarantees, other commitments shall be disclosed separately. Number 4, repatriation restrictions, if any, in respect of cash and bank balances shall be separately stated. Number 5, bank deposits with more than 12 months maturity shall be disclosed separately. Now point number R of note number 6, short-term loans and advances. The heading is short-term loans and advances. Point number R, short-term loans and advances. Number 1, short-term loans and advances shall be classified as A. loans and advances to related parties, giving details thereof, B. others specify nature. Point number 2, the above shall also be subclassified as A. secured considered good, B. unsecured considered good, C. doubtful. Point 3, allowance for bad and doubtful loans and advances shall be disclosed under the relevant heads separately. Point 4, loans and advances due by directors or other officers of the company or any of them, either severally or jointly with any other person, or amounts due by firms or private companies respectively, in which any director is a partner or a director or a member shall be separately stated.